So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at a remote that was sent to me by Sofabaton. It's a universal remote. It works really great. I've been using it for a while, no issues at all. So today we're going to open up the box, take a look inside, then I'll show you how you can go ahead and connect it. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel or you like what you're seeing today, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. This way you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos, especially by clicking that thumbs up button. It really does help to get the videos out into the YouTube world. So go ahead, click on that subscribe button. Go ahead, it takes 2 seconds. I'll wait for you. So thanks very much for doing it. If you did it, I really do appreciate it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're taking a look at the universal remote sent to me by Sofabaton. Like I said, it is a great remote. It is really sturdy. It's not made cheap like something you would buy from one of those off-market brand stores. But this here is excellent. There will be a link in my description below on how you could go ahead and purchase one of these remotes if you really do like it. Let's go ahead now and open up the box. So here it is. We open up the box and this is how the remote lays in the box. It sits pretty good. This way it does not bounce around, does not get damaged in any way. Underneath the remote are two AA batteries. Let's go ahead and take out the remote now. So once we take the remote out of the box, you can see that it is a full-size remote. Has a whole bunch of buttons on here for you to go ahead and play with. It does come with the user manual for easy hookup. Let's go ahead and take a look at the manual to see what you need to do next. Once you open up the manual, you need to go ahead and download the app. You have the choice of getting it from the Apple Store or from Google Play Store. Make sure you choose the right one for your phone. After you get the app installed onto your phone, it's going to ask you to create an account. It just wants your email address and then a password. Once you do that, it's going to send a code just for you to your email address, which you need to go ahead and put into your phone. Once you do that, then you could go ahead and move on to the next step. Now you need to go ahead and pair the remote. What you need to do is hold down the minus and the E buttons at the same time, so this way the remote will go ahead and pair. On the very top of the remote here, you can see in the digital display, it does say pairing. And on your phone, it says, please select the remote that you want to go ahead and connect to. I'm going to grab one of my remotes right now, and let's do that. So now to go ahead and connect this remote, you need to keep the U2 remote in the line of sight of your original remote. Select the icon for the function key you want to copy. Then long press the corresponding function key on the original remote. Let's go and do that now. So on the U2 remote, I'm going to press the power button, going to hold that down, and then I'm going to press the button on my TV remote, also the power button. I'm going to hold that down. Click on where it says add, and right here I'm going to click infrared. So now what you can do, if that didn't work by pressing, let's say, the power button and then long pressing the power button on the other remote, here you could go and search the database. Let's go do that now so I can show you what you can do. So here now I have to look for my remote that I want to go ahead and pair. So after I put in the name of my TV, Toshiba, then I went ahead and looked up the model number. This way you could go and press on the correct one so we can start pairing the remotes. Once you do that, you can see it comes up and in green. It shows you that the buttons that are corresponding with your remote. Let's go ahead and click on next. Next it's coming up and it's saying Toshiba. It's showing me that it's for the TV, so I'm going to click on complete. Now it's just saying that the code is correct and it's going to download everything, so please keep your phone Bluetooth remains connected. Also, if you notice on the Sofabaton that there is the screen where it says downloading. Now, as you see on my phone, it comes up and says it's complete, and also on the Sofabaton universal remote, it says the word Toshiba. Now, right here, I just want to show you can go ahead and flip through. If you had other devices with this dual knob, if you flip through this and just scroll, it will go ahead and show you the other devices that you have connected, maybe your cable box remote or whatever you want to use. So I'm going to show you now that it does work because my Toshiba TV is a Fire TV. So if I hit the home button on the Universal Remote by Sofabaton, it's going to bring me to the home screen of my Fire TV. Let's go ahead and click the home button. And you can see the screen has changed. So here it is. Here's the home screen of my Toshiba Fire TV. So it does show me that the remote did pair and it is working. I like to thank Sofabaton for sending me this Universal Remote. It is made durable. Connect up to 15 different types of devices. It is outstanding and it's reliable, works really great. Remember to click on that link in my description down below if you like this Universal Remote. Pick yourself up on it today. I hope you find this video very helpful and entertaining. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.